going to give you a quick intro of the K6100A. Model number there. Using the Rich Auto handheld controller. We'll be doing a fair bit of aluminium, dual mode ABS, acrylic, ACM, all day every day. More aluminium, aluminum if you prefer. This is a 1200 by 720 work area machine. It's usually a bit smaller. This one's been extended to suit a specific client's needs. Got a 5 ATC tool changer on this one, 24,000 RPM water cooled spindle, and we are running the water cooling through a water chiller unit. It's a closed loop system. We're doing that to stop any contaminants that we tend to make on the machines getting into the water cooling system. That would be a disaster. So overall, this has been a very rigid, heavy machine. We're getting really good, accurate results off it. Really pleased.